Hey guys! Brief comparison of Motorola Edge 40 versus Motorola Edge 40 Pro. Display. The Edge 40 has a 6.5-inch OLED screen with a refresh rate of 144 Hz, a maximum brightness of 1200 nits and a screen-to-body ratio of 90%. The Edge 40 Pro on the other hand has a 6.6-inch OLED screen with a refresh rate of 165 Hz, a brightness of 1300 nits and a screen-to-body ratio of 90%. Performance. The Edge 40 is powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 8020 coupled with 8GB of RAM, 128 and 256GB of storage. The Edge 40 Pro is powered by the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 coupled with 12GB of RAM, 256 and 512GB of storage. Battery. The Edge 40 comes with a 4400 mAh battery, a 68-watt fast charge and 15 watts for wireless charging. The Edge 40 Pro is powered by a 4600 mAh battery, 125-watt fast charge and 15 watts for wireless charging. On the endurance test, the Edge 40 to hold 98 hours against 117 hours for the Edge 40 Pro. Photo configuration. The Edge 40 is composed of two photo sensors at the back, a main sensor of 50 megapixels and an ultra-wide angle of 13 megapixels. The Edge 40 Pro is composed of three sensors at the back, so a main sensor of 50 megapixels, an ultra-wide angle of 50 megapixels and telephoto sensor of 12 megapixels with 2x optical zoom. The Edge 40 has a front camera of 32 megapixels against 60 megapixels for the Edge 40 Pro. Both smartphones are certified IP68 so water and dust resistant. For the rest, we have Wi-Fi 6E, Bluetooth 5.2 and USB-C 2.0 on the Edge 40. For the Edge 40 Pro, we are Wi-Fi 7, Bluetooth 5.3 and USB-C 3.2. I hope to have helped you choose between these two smartphones. If you have any questions I will answer you in comments. Thanks.